In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana to automate intake requests. We're going to walk through setting up an intake form inside Asana, publishing it, testing it, and then adding an automation so new requests are automatically assigned to the right person. Follow along in your own Asana workspace if you can. First, start on your Asana homepage. From your browser, open Asana and make sure you're logged in. Home is your main dashboard, where you can see recent projects and key shortcuts. From here, open the project where you want to capture and automate intake requests. If you have a dedicated intake or requests project, select that one. Otherwise, choose the project you'd like these tasks to land in. Once you're inside the project, look for the Workflow option in the top area of the screen and click it. Workflow is where Asana keeps forms and rules, so this is where all the automation magic happens. In the Workflow view, locate the Form section or the highlighted area that represents the intake form and click it. This will open the form editor. Here, you can customize the questions that people will fill out when they submit a request. Click on the Name field. This is usually required, and it's the title of the task that will be created in your project. You can add a question description to guide people on what to enter. For example, asking them to give a clear, concise summary of their request. Next, click on the email address field. This is also typically required, and it lets your team follow up or send updates. Again, you can add a short description if needed, such as reminding them to use a work email. Once you're happy with your form fields and descriptions, click on Publish. Publishing saves and activates your latest changes to the form so it's ready to be shared and used. After publishing, look for the highlighted control to open form options, and then select Test. This lets you preview the form exactly as your requesters will see it. Go through the form once, submit a test request, and confirm a new task appears correctly in your project. When that looks good, click on Share Form. Here you'll see the shareable link that you can send to your team or external stakeholders so they can start submitting requests. Now let's add automation. In the Workflow view, click the highlighted area to create a new rule. Then choose the option to set the assignee. Select Set Assignee To and pick the person or role who should own new intake tasks. Finally, define when the rule should run. Click on the When section, choose the trigger related to form submissions or new tasks, confirm the highlighted options, and save. From now on, every new intake request will automatically be assigned, keeping your process smooth and consistent.